Abdali Grammar School. Primary Mathematics 2nd. Lesson Volume. Chapter number 15. Lecture number 1. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear kids, today we are going to learn about volume and measuring volume in liters. For this, first of all, we need to know what is volume. Volume refers to the amount of space the object takes up. In other words, volume is a measure of the size of an object, just like height and width are ways to describe size. Keep in mind that volume has nothing to do with weight or mass. It is the measurement of how much space a liquid or gas takes up. Milliliters, liters, gallons are unit of volume and also used especially when measuring liquids. Now I describe you how measuring volume in liters. This is a 1 liter beaker. We can measure volume with this 1 liter beaker. Now pour the mineral water from the bottle into the beaker. The bottle of mineral water fills the beaker completely. So we can say the volume of water is 1 liter. The liter is a unit of volume. We write L for liter. Now measure the volume of cooking oil. The container contains 2 liter oil because it has the capacity of 2 liter. So the volume of cooking oil is more than 1 liter. Now for measuring, pour the cooking oil into 2 beakers. It fills 2 beakers completely. It means the volume of cooking oil is more than 1 liter. So the volume of cooking oil is 2 liter. What is the volume of cooking oil? Yes, 2 liters. Now look at the next example. Is the volume of water in the jug more or less than 1 liter? This is a jug. Now we use 1 liter beaker to measure. We pour all the water from the jug to the beaker. The water does not fill the beaker completely, so the jug contains less than 1 liter of water. Now we compare using more or less volume. This is a washing liquid container. How can we explain it? That it contains 5 liters of washing liquid. To explain it, we take beakers and pour all the washing liquids into 1 liter beaker. How much beakers are filled with this washing liquid? Yes, it fills 5 beakers completely. What is the volume of washing liquid? The volume of washing liquid is 5 liters. Now look at the next example. Which bottle will you use to fill up the pail completely? This is a pail which contains 6 liters of water. We have different liter of water bottles. 1 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter, 2 liter, 2 liters. Now we have to choose the bottles which contains total 6 liter of water. So we choose 3 bottles of 2 liters that contains 6 liters of water. How many bottles we take? We take 3 bottles because 3 bottles of 2 liter contains 6 liters of water. Now I explain you how to solve words problem of volume. Question number 1. How much water did Saad use to water the plant? There are 5 pails. Saad used 5 pails of water to water the plant. Each pail contained 4 liters of water. How much water did he use? Solution. Whenever you reach a problem, you have to know what is given. In this sum, it is given that numbers of pails is equal to 5. Each pail contains water is equal to 4 liter. The next step is what we have to find out. We have to find out how much water did he use. For this, we multiplied the both numbers. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. What is 5 multiplied by 4? 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So, we can say Saad used 20 liter of water. Now, look at the next example. Question number 2. Bina's mother bought 8 bottles of liquid soap. Each bottle contains 2 liter of liquid soap. How many liters of liquid soap did she buy? Now look at the solution. Do you know what is given? Yes, it is given that Bina's mother bought bottle of liquid soap is equal to 8. Each bottle contains soap is equal to 2 liter. What we have to find out? We have to find out how much liter of liquid did she buy. We have less quantity of soap in each bottle and we have to find out more quantity. So we multiplied the both numbers. 8 multiplied by 2 equal to 16. What is 8 multiplied by 2? 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. So we can say she bought 16 liters of liquid soap. I hope it was fun to learn about volume and how we solve word problem sums with statement. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.